Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.5% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.2% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Canada's main stock index climbed, boosted by gains in commodity-linked sectors and stronger than expected US GDP figures, indicating a soft landing for the world's largest economy. The group of recently launched spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds are seeing combined negative flows for the first time since they opened for trade, as money moving into funds like BlackRock's IBIT and Fidelity's FBTC has failed to keep pace with the exits from Grayscale's GBTC. The dollar was broadly steady near a 6-week high as investors await GDP and other data this week for clues as to where US rates might be headed, while the euro was soft before a European Central Bank policy meeting.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US personal spending will be released at 13:30 GMT, Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT, the US personal income at 13:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 20:30 GMT, Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT, Germany's GfK consumer confidence survey at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.